Okay, this is the revision video about the Form 4 English Language Quiz 3 Reading Paper 題解關於呢個 Quiz 3嘅，咁我哋即刻開始啦。第一題 Complete the notes below with by the way 嗰篇文章咧應該係講食煙嗰一篇嘅 ，OK，so Quiz 3開始。第一題 Complete the notes below with information about the cost of smoking。咁你見到 cost 咧，其實你認得唔該呢個字係成本啦。咁即係關於錢嘅。咁如果你喺本書裏邊咧間低所有錢嘅話咧，係會發現咧有幾個嘅。第一個啦，咁其實頭兩段咧你都見到晒所有㗎啦。咁只不過係對翻所有嘅 keywords 嘅啫。咁呢個部分咧我都唔多講，因為大部分我都啱嘅。咁但係唯獨是咧就係下邊嗰兩個 number of years and number of times。OK， 咁你見到個 keywords 係 years and times， 咁就會發現到咧，其實咧都可以咧係揾到個字嘅喺第16段嗰度嚇。咁所以都係呢一度。唔難揾嘅 ，OK， 對翻個字嘅啫。有同學仔撈亂咗嗰兩個字啦。好啦，下一題，應該答案就係咁樣啦。清楚。According to the figures, 1.3 billion is wasted a year due to 好啦，1.3個 billion， 13億嚇，sorry 130億嚇。咁有邊幾句咧咁樣？咁你揾翻數字啦，又係講翻 1.3 billion。咁由呢度開始睇啦 ，the study 去到 full stop 啦 ，work time。The study estimated that active smoking cost 2.8 billion on a year in healthcare and 1.3 billion in lost work time。咁你就見到一個 and 字咧，即係可以中間查開佢啦。1.3個 billion 係 in lost work time， 咁關工作事嘅時間、工作同埋唔見咗 lost。咁多個答案裏邊，得一個同工作有關嘅啫，咁啊就係 C 啦。OK，A 早死 ，B 買煙 ，C 冇做嘢 ，miss work 即係錯失咗工作啦。D smokers needing healthcare 嗰啲要照顧啦，要健康照顧嘅吸煙者。答案係 C，OK， 咁都係對字嘅啫。呢一題度嚇。Line 13 who does them refer to them 係一個名詞嚟嘅。13題嗰個 them them 圈低咗俾你啦。OK， 咁一樣啦。技巧由句子去到句子。又話我一句都睇唔明嘅，唔緊要嘅。我哋知道 them 係代名詞，所以咧亦都係個眾數。我哋要揾翻個眾數嘅名詞啦。個字尾咧要係 s 嘅。咁睇下有冇一啲名詞咯喎。好，第一個好呢個，聽聽一路去到呢個。好啦，如果係嘅話咧，就只係得呢兩個咧係嘅啫。咁所以你哋應該答案咧都係呢兩個裏邊嘅選擇嘅。咁可以嘅話咧，你就答案 companies。咁但係其實咁樣係唔會攞到分嘅，因為咧呢個唔完整嘅意思。Tobacco 煙草公司嚇，雖然煙草公司咁即係煙草公司係一個名嚟嘅 Tobacco。咁其實呢度有少少陰濕啦。好，繼續落，呢題都陰濕嘅。佢話啦 ，If average life expectancy of a person is 75， 如果一個人嘅正常壽命咧係75歲嘅話咧 ，What is the average life expectancy of a smoker？OK，of a person of a smoker。咁你見到咧，其實佢問緊你咧一啲相同嘅概念嘅。如果一個人75歲，咁食煙嗰個人會有幾多歲 ？OK， 如果佢食一包煙每日嘅話。咁啊睇一睇咯喎，有冇個歲數咧？有嘅，一望到就望到啦 ，7 years 啊！同學仔個個都會答咗7 years。咁但係其實咧就唔係啦，佢俾咗一個數字你，所以呢個好似數學嗰啲應用題咁樣嚇，陰濕嘅。答案唔係7 years， 係75 做咩事啊？7年命，咁佢唔會得食煙，唔會得7年命㗎。用下個常理去諗下都知道，食煙可能會少咗7年命。OK， 咁即係75 減7，咁即係68啦。OK， 第5題 ，What are the 2 common effects of smoking on young people？ 咁其實呢個都係照抄嘅啫嚇。effects 如果你有印象嘅話，呢個字咧係解做影響啦。OK， 呢個名詞嚟嘅，但係好可惜啦，我哋喺嗰個文章裏邊咧揾唔到呢一個字嘅。咁你見到一路個 flow 咧係一路落嘅，咁所以都可以睇翻下邊第4段啦。你會見到啲好相似嘅字嘅，呢個 affects 影響喺第4段嘅頭一句啦，同埋一路落咧去見到呢一度啦，都係呢個係被動啦，不過都係 verb 嚟嘅。OK，is affected 都係影響啦。仲有冇啊？哦，仲有，原來對到嘅喎，有一個 affect 影響。OK，咁好啦，佢就話啦，咦，Billy Sir 有好多個喎，咁抄邊一句啊咁樣？咁我哋班好多同學仔咧就一路抄咗呢個 Joseph Wong 咁佢嗰一句啦，話可以跑步啊，又行到樓梯啊，但係而家咧就行唔到樓梯啦，同埋咧就真係要唞一唞先至得啦咁樣。咁咧，但我想問下條題目係問乜嘢咧 ？On young people 第5題 ，What are the 2 common effects of smoking on young people？ Young people 係一個大眾嚟嘅。好啦，我哋攞熒光筆睇一睇，究竟嗰3個影響分別係關於邊個人嘅影響？第一 ，your health，OK，第2個 young people's health，第3個 smoking on his health， 邊個佢啊？邊個他啊？邊個男仔他？呢個男仔他 Joseph Wong。咁嘅時候你會發現咧，其實咧抄咧都要抄得有技巧㗎啦。咁就唔該，係啦。我意思係少少反光，咁咧係中間嗰個，咁你就可以一路抄，由 shortness of breath 去到呢度冇問題㗎啦。咁但係當然啦，如果你想精準一啲嘅話咧，就取消咗個 verb 佢 delete 咗佢，係啦，呢個就係第5條嘅答案，第19項。OK， 講多次，度度都有影響㗎啦。我哋初用紅筆咗橫線間低咗，咁但係其實個影響係跟邊一個咧？睇翻熒光筆啦嚇。咁題目係問緊呢一個嘅 young people， 所以照抄。有同學仔懶嘅，懶到點咧 ？increase 咁就算啦，唔抄啦。其實大包抄冇所謂㗎，係咪 ？OK， 咁你就如果冇大包抄同學仔咧，今次就冇咗分啦。Sorry。好，第6題。喺篇文章裏邊咧，我哋知道咧 Joseph Wong， 我哋揾翻個人名啦。頭先我哋喺第4段咧見到 Joseph Wong 呢個同學嘅。OK， 太懶啦。A、B 食得太啱啱開始食煙啦。C 希望咧佢永遠咧都唔會再食煙。D 佢覺得咧佢可以食煙咧係好容易就戒到嘅。睇睇咯，上面嗰段問咗影響啦，我哋唔再講啦。好啦，嚟咯，行樓梯都揀咗啦，繼續咯。If I had known how much smoking would affect my fitness， 如果我知道had known 呢個係過去完成式咁但係同嗰個名就冇關係，我解過㗎啦。I would never have had， 我永遠都唔會再食第一支煙。咁即係咩意思咧？如果我知道食煙會影響，又係影響。頭先我哋漏咗揀呢個如果我知道食煙會影響我嘅 fitness， 即係我嘅狀態，即係其實呢度講健康啦I would never have had that first cigarette。我唔會咧再食第一支煙㗎啦。即係咩意思啊？後悔咯，咩事啊？咁即係點啊？後悔即係希望佢唔會再食煙啦。但係呢個希望咧，呢個 wish 咧係解有少少後悔嘅意味嘅。呢個希望同 hope 個希望係唔同嘅。OK， 咁寫翻筆記啦。wish 咧係唔等於 hope 嘅。咁 wish 咧係比較有少少後悔意味嘅。OK， 答案 C。 好，繼續咯喎。第7 ，What is the tone of Joseph Wong？ 係啦，佢講咗呢一句説話嘅時候，其實啱啱先解完啦呢一句。咁其實呢4個字就係考你生字嘅啫。可以嘅話咧，請你咧，就算我知道今日都好遲啊嚇，幫我加翻我 notebook 裏邊，同我寫翻喺 notebook 裏邊。咁 notebook 有一版咧，我記得係講過咧，係關於 tone 嗰個調子嘅，或者嗰個語調嘅。一定有嘅，我印象下，咁你加翻落去啦，咁可能考試會出翻呢幾個字，到時你唔識又大件事啦。regretful 好後悔嘅 ，worried 好擔心嘅 ，fascinated 好興奮嘅，好振奮嘅，好興奮好振奮嘅，好 angry 個個都識㗎啦嚇，好嬲嘅。咁答案呼之欲出啦 A 啦嚇 ，OK。咁頭先嗰條係 C。Yes. 第8題 ，Which of the following statements is not true？ 你唔使食一個好長嘅時間咧，就會可以影響咗咧你嘅健康啊！食煙嘅話，咁呢個係人都知啦，用常理都知啦，我哋唔睇文章嚇，take 一 take 先。Tobacco companies are still arguing that smoking is not bad for you。煙草公司咧仍然都爭拗緊咧，食煙咧其實對你係冇壞處嘅，呢個真係唔知道，要睇文章啦。但我哋而家個技巧就係咩咧？用常理去諗下先啦嚇。C. Smoking often leads to lung cancer, heart disease, coughs and shortness of breath。頭先我哋見到呢一紮字嘅 ，OK？ 食煙會有心臟病，呢啲係人都知啦嚇。The University of Hong Kong study took over 3 years to complete。香港大學嘅研究咧用咗3年時間咧去完成，咁即係答案唔係 B 就 D。咁如果要對字嘅話咧，又係啦，唔該揾翻個名詞或者揾翻啲特別嘅字眼，我就會揾翻煙草公司啦，同埋咧 University of Hong Kong。仲有啦，喺數字上邊咧，好多時候都會有啲真唔係真就假㗎啦，廢話啦，咁即係冇灰色地帶嘅，冇灰色地帶咧，咁即係可以做 fact check 啦，可以做好似而家嗰啲好興嘅新聞嚇，成日都會講 fact check 邊個講過邊一句説話啊咁樣嚇。3 years to complete 嚇，係咪3年咧咁樣？咁我睇一睇咯喎。第3段揾到啦，頭先我哋啱做咗嘅 tobacco companies。Although tobacco companies used to argue，used to 唔係解用啊嚇，呢度要詳細講個句子啦。used to 咧呢度係解曾經。唔緊要嘅，就算你唔識，你見到呢一個時式咧係用緊 ED form 嘅，即係用緊 past tense。佢曾經咧拗過咧 smoking 咧係唔係差嘅對你健康，但係而家咧好多嘅法律嘅或者一啲正式上面嘅一啲挑戰咧，就游說呢班人咧就去改變咗佢哋嗰個語調啦，個 tune 都係可以解嗰個調子啊嚇。咁好啦，佢問緊呢度still arguing 啊 B 答案，有喎有晒呢啲字喎嚇 Billy Sir， 但係唔好意思啦，睇翻呢個時式先，佢用緊乜嘢時式啊？佢用緊現在進行式 is/ing， 咁而文章裏邊咧用一個咁樣係用 used to argue 嘅。其實佢變相真係考緊你乜嘢？佢考緊你 grammar， 即係咧，如果純粹對字啲同學仔咧，咁就大件事啦嚇。喂，有晒呢啲字喎，OK 啦，呢個唔識唔緊要啦，就 B 啦咁樣。但其實唔好意思，考緊 grammar， 個時式都唔啱。呢個曾經做過嘅、拗過嘅，呢個係拗緊嘅。咁所以答案就算我哋唔做下邊 fact check 都知道答案係 D。Sorry， 答案係 A。sorry 啊，答案係 A， 因為都唔同，根本個意思都唔一樣。第9 ，passive smoking is different from active smoking because a passive smoker 嗰啲咧被吸煙咧嚇 passive voice 我哋學過嘅，如果 passive voice 係被動句嘅話，咁 passive 咪即係被動咯，被動 smoking 即係二手煙咯，其實即係另一個意思咯。二手煙咧做咩事啊？因為咧一個二手煙者咧，二手煙者 ER 咧係名詞，係關於人嘅名詞嚟嘅。佢食煙嘅，傻啦，二手煙啊嘛。Breathes in the smoke of others， 有機會嘅，佢吸咗人哋嗰啲二手煙啦。佢唔中意陣味嘅，唔知道嚇，呢個真係唔知道。 is not affected by the smoke of the others， 佢不會被其他嘅人影響嘅。咁你用常理都知啦，答案係 B 啦，唔多講。好啦，兩個第10題，兩個一個 expressions 咧，考你一啲唔識嘅字。佢本身解 speak out 係咪同 speak 有關呢？本身解strike a chord with many 係咪同 chord 有關呢？咁樣嚇，即係彈嘢嗰啲 chord 咁樣咧嚇，即係彈吉他啲 chord 有關呢？好明顯就唔係啦，其實就考你一字多義嘅意思，同埋考緊你一啲言語啊，什麼各樣啦。咁睇翻到24行嗰度啊嚇，即係第5段啦。In Hong Kong, people are increasingly speaking out about smoking。喺香港咧，人咧就開始增加地啦 ，increasingly 即係越嚟越多人咁解啦。增加地去做啲乜嘢啊 ？Speaking out about smoking。Particularly smoking in public places。咁咧，即係喺公眾地方食煙嘅話咧，啲人越嚟越關於講佢咯喎。咁即係咩意思咧？啲人開始講佢，講到好大聲，唔知道任何嘢。啲人咧越嚟越講得大聲，關於真係呢個係大聲，真係字面上咁解，好大聲咁樣個大聲講下。咁你諗到唔會啦，係可能你用翻中文嘅諗法去諗，就係話啲討論咧開始熱烈咗啦，增加咗啦咁樣。咁咧 knowing nothing， 啲人咧完全唔知道咧係公眾地方食煙，但係佢越嚟越多人唔知道公眾地方食煙，咁梗唔係啦，係增加關注啊，增加成啊嘛。咁排除法啦，剩翻答案就係呢一個咯。Protesting publicly，protesting 即係代表抗爭啦。OK，publicly 就公眾地啦嚇，咁即係點啊？佢哋好公開咁樣討論或者去關注呢件事情，喺公眾地方食煙，咁當然啦，關注就係影響咗其他人啦嚇，呢個先係最重點嘅。37堂 strike a chord with money， 即係呢一度。Giving up smoking is the easiest thing in the world, author Mark Twain said. I know because I've done it hundreds of times. Twain was being funny, but his words strike a chord with many. 佢咧呢個人好笑，但係咧佢嘅內容咧上邊嗰兩句嘅內容咧就嘟咗啦咁樣。咩叫嘟咗咧咁樣？幾多次咯喎？食煙咧係一個好容易嘅啫，我知道，因為咧我試咗100幾十次咁樣。咁佢呢番説話好得意，但係其實佢嘅意思咧係乜嘢嘅咁樣 ？The average smoker tries to quit 10.8 times。通常咧每個人咧要去戒煙嘅話咧，都要戒夠10.8次咧先至成功戒到嘅，同埋咧係要戒夠18.6年嘅咁樣嚇先至戒到嘅。咁好啦，佢頭先講嗰番説話，我試過100次食煙好容易，咁即係咩意思咧？佢話呢番説話咧傷害咗人哋嘅心。Oh no！ 佢話佢呢番説話咧令到好多人咧去重新思考。佢話佢呢番説話咧係令到咧好多人咧都係好同意佢嘅説法嘅。咁頭先你見到啦，佢噏就噏話我試咗成100幾十次，後邊有咩去支持佢㗎？後邊有數據去支持佢嘅，即係呢個係意見，呢個係事實。OK， 研究做出嚟嘅。咁即係話咧，佢講啲説話咧，而係符合咗個研究結果，即係話佢講咗一啲嘢咧，大部分人咧都會贊同嘅。OK， 佢嘅説法唔會令你反思，佢嘅説法令到你贊同佢嘅。OK， 所以我哋叫做呢個説法咧就叫做 strike a chord with money。If you say someone's words strike a chord with money, it means that you are saying something people really agree with you. You are saying something that most people think about. 好，11題，咁啊睇段子啦。頭先有錢嘅 A， 咁我哋好明顯啦嚇，即係呢啲真係送分啦，唔該大家啦。好啦，做溫書嘅時候咧就係啦，揾翻 keywords， 頭3個我哋揾到㗎啦嚇。咁我哋睇翻第4個 ，The true cost of smoking does not only count the price of a pack of cigarettes。咁意思即係咩咧 ？Not only price 嚇，唔係咧一定係關於價錢嘅，咁即係有其他嘅代價 ，OK， 即係話不是金錢嘅代價，一定唔係錢嗰段 E The truth is giving up smoking is difficult， 好困難嘅去戒煙嚇，好困難嘅。咁有幾困難咧？係咪頭先我哋講嗰個時間同埋次數嘅問題咧？如果係嘅話，咁就睇翻嗰段咯。The effects of smoking on teenagers 留意啦，特別係講年青人嘅影響。嗱，呢啲其實我頭先都見過晒喺條片裏邊，咁所以你有一路順住去做嘅話咧，真係俾心機，唔好見到話啲題目短先至做，其實啲設計咧全部都係課你睇晒成篇文章嘅。咁我諗答案都呼之欲出啦嚇。第二段嘅段子咧就係講錢嘅，所以係 A 嚇。睇翻左邊我哋或者係揀嘅 keywords 啦。第四段嘅段子咧，第四段嚇唔緊要，我費事就咁齋講答案好悶嘅。咁睇翻第四段啦，我哋揀得最多嘅係乜嘢咧？頭先嚇呢一個喎，成句喎 ，in young smokers 喎，咁仲唔係咩啊？第四段 teenagers 咯，年青人咯 ，F 咯。好啦，第五段嘅係啦，香港人話要討論啲乜嘢咁樣喎嚇，咁唔知道passive 你見到啲咩字咧？你見到有 passive smoking 啦，你見到有children's health 啦 ，OK 得唔得？咁其他咧都唔係好識啊，咁唔緊要嘅，我哋 skip 咗先，做咗第七嗰個先。第七 under 邊一個部分㗎？6、7都係 under how to quit 嘅。OK，there's no easy way to give up smoking. However, the following advice can help. 哎呀，俾埋答案你啦 ，advice 啦嚇，呢個點列式上邊即係主題句啦。咁有冇 advice 啊？有啊，真係 C。好啦，第五題，剩翻好多個選擇啦。咁究竟係邊一個咧？唔緊要，排除法啦，係咪？咁giving up smoking 好困難嘅。呢個係第6段嘅 ，sorry 嚇，第6段嘅，我哋頭先啱啱做咗啦。然之後咧，一路去咧就係去到D 係啦。The true cost of smoking does not only count on price。佢係咪講緊真正嘅代價咧？真正嘅代價一路睇到喎。香港咧好多人咧都係增加地咧去公開即係爭辯咧關於講緊喺公眾地方食煙嘅呢樣嘢。咁佢哋就話啦，當其實咧嗰啲吸煙者咧佢可以選擇咧去自殺嘅話咧，即係食煙害自己咧，其實佢哋嗰啲非吸煙者呢一班人咧，即係吸煙者呢一班人咧，佢哋係冇權咧去殺其他人嘅，尤其是非吸煙者。At the same time, through passive smoking， 尤其是咧係二手煙嘅問題裏邊，有啲人就覺甚至乎拗話啦，即係食煙應該要真係喺屋企咧，喺屋企應該要禁止嘅，因為咧太嚴重啦，嗰啲影響喺小朋友嘅健康身上。有一個咧好震撼，啱啱先出爐嘅報告咧就話啦，呢一啲咁嘅事情咧，咩事情咧？就話同吸煙者一齊住咧，1年嘅話咧，其實等於咧你食咗8年嘅煙仔啦。咁呢個真正嘅代價係啲咩咧？其實佢都冇講到咩叫真正嘅代價，所以唔係 D 啦。咁剩翻答案就係點啊 ？B， 因為上邊第5段你見到佢中間咧花咗3、4項時間咧，都係講嗰啲二手煙啊，唔俾佢喺屋企食煙啊，即係點啊？一句到尾唔好影響人嚇，咁即係咩為之影響到人咧？二手煙咯。OK，passive smoke。Sorry，OK，B 答案。好，呢個目的12題，我跳一跳啦。Purpose 目的12題，12題咧目的就係咧 to complain、criticize、propose、persuade、complain 投訴啦。呢個都希望你可以咧擺翻落 notebook 裏邊。如果你發覺 notebook 有呢度有啲嘢係冇嘅話咧，請你同我寫翻落去啦。咁自己好好温書。criticize 係批評啦。propose 係提議一啲事情啦，佢透過呢篇文章咧想提議一啲嘢嘅。persuade 去游說OK， 咁你會見到咧，其實呢篇文章講到尾咧，佢真係講咗一啲事實啦，反映咗啲意見啦，同埋最尾一啲方法咧去教大家咧唔好食煙嘅。咁我覺得咧都係講一句到尾啦。佢點解要最尾講嗰句話點樣食點樣戒煙咧？就係想游說啲人咧去唔好食煙。答案 D。Target audience 一個目標嘅，即係一個讀者群咧，究竟邊一個係讀者群咧？咁樣即係讀呢篇文章嘅咧，咁就係啦。notebook 裏邊又係會同我寫翻低啦。唔該晒你哋，冇嘅請你頭加落去。學生啦、大眾啦、吸煙者啦、 煙草公司，咁好明顯就係俾一啲大眾去知道發生啲乜嘢事啦。因為除咗吸煙者，你話吸煙者喎咁樣，係最尾嗰兩段咧，如何戒煙咧，即係好啱我哋一啲識嘅吸煙者嘅，好相熟嘅嚇，即係嗰啲成日唔認自己食煙但係有食煙嗰啲人啦，係啦，呢兩段。咁但係其實其他咧都係一啲好客觀或者好事實嘅嘢嚟嘅，咁所以都係啱一般普羅大眾去睇。呢一版報紙嘅話咧，擺邊一個版面好咧咁樣？財經版啦、教育版啦、讀者來信版啦，定係健康版咧？咁答案呼之欲出啦嚇！你錯呢條真係你都真係死硬啊！好，去到最尾嗰一版啦，4-5段啦，咁有邊啲係真，邊啲係假咁樣？好啦 ，A keywords 嚇。Only 係我永遠都講㗎啦，呢啲極端嘅字眼咧要小心一啲。食煙只係影響咗咧人類嘅壽命嘅健康喺佢後期嘅壽命上面，即係只係影響你臨尾嗰幾年。你覺得啱唔啱啊？嚇，用常理都知道啦，唔係 force or not given 㗎啦。B smokers have the right to smoke and kill themselves。吸煙者咧係有權咧去食煙同埋去傷害佢自己嘅。頭先我哋講咗啦，咁呢一個咧，我相信咧呢一題咧，就算唔睇文章咧都可以做到嘅。答案係 true。繼續 C。The writer strongly supports a ban on smoking in the home。個作者咧好強烈去支持咧屋企咧要戒煙。頭先我哋見到呢個字㗎嚇，喺屋企食煙啦。文章睇翻啦喎嚇，咁咧有人咧就話啦，呢度 in the home 咁啊 ban 咁樣你見到啦嚇，但係你留意翻個主語啊嚇 ，some people 文章裏邊講嘅係 some people， 呢一度講嘅係 the writer， 唔好意思揀錯咗嚇 ，C the writer 文章咧就 some people 同 writer 係咪一樣㗎？唔一樣嘅 ，sorry，OK， 唔一樣嘅，咁所以咧呢個嘅答案咧係 false， 因為有比較嘛。D living with a smoker for a year is the same as smoking 8 cigarettes a year。呢個頭先咧文章裏邊我哋都講咗㗎啦，同一個人住咧等於咧食咗咧80支煙啊，唔係8包煙啊，都差唔多啦嚇。OK， 呢個都係 true 嘅。咁第一題啦，只係影響咗，咁呢個一定唔會啦，有長期嘅影響啦，都係 false 下答案呢4個。Words temporarily ly 尾嘅，咁呢個一定唔難揾㗎啦。6至7段 ly 尾嘅只係得2個。OK，ly 尾副詞或者係副詞啦嚇。咁當然你有 ly 揾咗 ly 先啦。Permanently 仲有冇啦？哇，咁簡單，真係送分俾你啦，係咪？答案就係呢一個啦 ，permanently。呢個係相反意思啊 ，opposite meaning， 相反意思。OK， 好，跟住 exclude 啊，呢個要寫出嚟俾你嘅，因為下邊嗰一題咧係要教你點樣做嘅。exclude 呢個咧唔識喎，我哋對唔到字尾啦，唔緊要嘅，可以兩個方法，動詞啦，但係記住啦，冇 s 嘅。亦都可以係名詞啦，記住啦，冇 s 嘅。咁如果係動詞冇 s， 名詞冇 s 冇眾數嘅話咧，咁即係點樣咧？咁樣 giving up ing， 我哋用咗動詞先，好嘛？做咗呢個先，我哋又圈啦，一路間啦 set 唔好意思，呢個係過去式啦 ，have done 唔好意思啦，was being sorry 啦 ，strike 可以有機會入選嘅，我用用黃筆啦，費事太花啦。OK，strike tries 唔好意思啦，呢個有 s 嘅，一路落啦，動詞 give up 或者 give 啦 ，advice can help 啦，you ought to 即係解 should 咁解啦，咁 should 後邊咧跟動詞唔轉嘢嘅，所以 involve 入選嘅 ，try 入選嘅 ，take up 入選嘅。avoid 都入選嘅 ，support 都入選嘅，help 都入選嘅，咁 smoke 都入選嘅，咁好多喎咁樣，咁你咪揀個最難嘅咯，咁你咪揀個最難啊，一係揀 strike，一係揀 involve 啦，係咪？咁啊寫低晒先。如果我係動詞嘅話咧，咁我就可以係 strike 或者係 involve。 如果名詞啦，冇 s 嘅名詞啦，咁就嚟噶咯喎，冇 s 嘅名詞，今次會圈嘅有黃筆嚇，我哋會有 thing 啦，第6段嚇會有court 啦，我哋會有 smoker 啦，會有 period 啦，會有 habits 啦 ，OK， 會有family。我哋會有 advice， 會有 way， 會有冇啦 yoga，OK， 多一個。咁你見到啦，咁又係啦，你揀個最難嘅 ，OK。咁但係話俾你聽，今次其實唔係 noun 嚟嘅，呢個今次咧其實係一個 verb 嚟嘅，知唔知道？咁但係唔緊要，你就算做錯嘅，我都講啦，你揀一個喺有限嘅範圍裏邊揀一個。咁就 OK 啦。答案呢兩個裏邊，咁邊個先啱咧嚇？好手神啦，講得衰啲，即係喺我哋講多次啊！呢個方法咧係你完全唔認識嗰個字嘅時候，喺考試裏邊冇得查字典，咁點樣做到嘅？呢個真係最後嘅一個方法啦。唔係話我唔想認識嗰個字啊，而係呢個係應試嘅技巧嚟嘅。咁始終呢個都係温書片，即係唔好話我唔教你嗰個字點解啦。OK，involve 答案。17邊一個主角嚇，即係邊一個角色，即係人名啦。講咗咁耐嚇，我哋頭先有見過有個男仔嘅，我仲有印象嘅嗰個叫做第4段嗰個人叫做 Joseph Wong 嚇，唔知你知唔知道啦？喺手指喺邊度咧？呢度去咗邊啊？死啦，弊啦！呢個嚇 Joseph Wong 係真係唔好意思啊。好，跟住咧，仲有一個人嘅應該嚇，上邊有冇咧？上邊有冇人名咧？上邊應該有一個人名嘅，係啦，大街。咁你見到有啲，另外仲有呢兩個嘅，咁咪對下啦，睇下同埋 Mark Twain。咁你唔好排除咧，你唔好以為咧全部都係會出一次嚇，有機會係得翻兜㗎嚇，即係小心啲嚇，好陰濕嘅 DSE 都會咁樣嘅。好，我希望咧。我希望真係戒煙啊！咁你估都估到啦，邊個想戒煙啊？個僆仔啦 ，Joseph Wong 啦。我哋做咗第2條先，因為比較容易。第1條，吸煙咧嘅代價咧係遠高於你所想嘅。哇！呢啲講嘢嘅人，即係邊個會可以講咧？咁啊，梗係阿 Professor 可以講啦 ，Anthony 嚇。咁重點就係其實講到尾出呢啲題目就係話俾你聽。做呢啲文章嘅時候咧，人名啦、時間啦、地方啦都好重要嘅，咁就唔該你特別多留意呢3個概念：人名、時間、地方。可以嘅話，你已經圈定先，咁你就好似唔使頭先 Billy Sir 咁樣咧，要等成10幾20秒先至揾到嗰個人名出嚟嘅。OK，咁啊就係咁樣啦。OK，希望幫到你温書嗱，我哋都 go through 咗一啲題型嘅，咁希望你都可以有啲温習嘅地方。拜拜。